Pomni, what happened?
Caine crushed me with the bowling ball.
What? Oh my god! Caine! What? You stupid damn mother! Diego, language! Well, that it was not nice for you to crush Pomni with a bowling ball. You stupid damn idiot! Sorry, it was just a joke. Well, you know what the punishment is for doing that, right? What? I'll show you. Yeah, that's what you get. Yeah, I guess you're right. And here's the gift. You, Pomni, I'll help you get that bowling ball off you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now, goodbye!